Welcome to Health After 50, the channel dedicated to helping you thrive in your prime. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that's fundamental to your health and well-being. Sleep. Over the next few minutes, we'll unravel the science of sleep, exploring the fascinating processes that happen in your brain while you slumber. We'll demystify the intricate dance of brainwaves, neurochemicals, and circadian rhythms, providing you with a clear understanding of how sleep works. Armed with this understanding, you'll be empowered to take control of your sleep. So if you're ready to unlock the restorative power of sleep and wake up feeling refreshed and energized, let's get started. You might think of sleep as a passive state, a time when your brain powers down, but the reality is far more dynamic. Sleep is an active process, orchestrated by your brain, where you cycle through distinct stages, each with its own unique purpose and brainwave signature. The first stage is non-REM sleep, which is further divided into three substages: N1, N2, and N3. Think of N1 as the transition phase, that light sleep where you're drifting off, easily awakened. N2 is where you spend most of your sleeping hours, characterized by slower brain waves and reduced heart rate. Then there's N3, also known as slow-wave sleep, the deepest and most restorative stage of sleep. This is where your body repairs and rebuilds tissues, strengthens your immune system, and consolidates memories. And then we have REM sleep, the stage where your dreams come alive. Understanding these stages is key to optimizing your sleep. Let's talk about your internal timekeeper, your circadian rhythm. Governed by the suprachiasmatic nucleus, or SCN, it's sensitive to light. Daylight suppresses melatonin, boosts cortisol, and increases body temperature. Darkness signals your body to wind down for sleep. A synced rhythm means waking up refreshed and alert. Behind the scenes of your sleep-wake cycle, a complex interplay of neurochemicals is constantly at work. These chemical messengers, called neurotransmitters, play a vital role in regulating your sleep patterns, influencing everything from relaxation to alertness. One crucial player is GABA, or gamma-aminobutyric acid. GABA is like the brain's natural tranquilizer, promoting relaxation, reducing anxiety, and preparing your body for sleep. On the other hand, we have cortisol, often referred to as the stress hormone. Managing stress throughout the day, whether through exercise, spending time in nature, or engaging in hobbies you enjoy, can help regulate cortisol levels, preventing them from spiking at night and interfering with your sleep. Now that we've covered the fascinating science of sleep, let's translate this knowledge into action. Here are some practical, science-backed strategies you can implement tonight to improve your sleep quality. First and foremost, prioritize consistency. Establish a regular sleep-wake cycle, going to bed and waking up around the same time each day, even on weekends. This consistency reinforces your circadian rhythm, signaling to your brain when it's time to sleep and wake up. Next, transform your bedroom into a sleep sanctuary. Ensure your bedroom is dark, quiet, and cool. Darkness promotes melatonin production, while a cool room temperature facilitates deeper, more restful sleep. Create a relaxing bedtime routine that signals to your body and mind that it's time to wind down. Avoid screen time for at least an hour before bed, as the blue light emitted from electronic devices can suppress melatonin production and interfere with sleep. In addition to foundational strategies, there are advanced techniques to optimize your sleep. Light therapy is a powerful tool. Bright light exposure helps regulate your circadian rhythm. Mindfulness meditation improves sleep quality. It calms the mind and reduces stress. Engage in stress-reducing activities. Avoid heavy meals close to bedtime. The beauty of your brain is its remarkable ability to adapt and change, a phenomenon known as neuroplasticity. This means that you can literally rewire your brain for better sleep by consistently implementing the strategies we've discussed. Every time you prioritize a consistent sleep schedule, create a relaxing bedtime routine, or engage in stress-reducing activities, you're strengthening the neural pathways associated with sleep. Over time, these pathways become more robust, making it easier for your brain to transition into sleep mode and stay asleep throughout the night. Think of it like learning any new skill. It takes time, effort, and consistency. Be patient with yourself and celebrate small victories along the way. These small wins are indications that you're on the right track and that your efforts are paying off. In addition to the strategies we've already covered, optimizing your sleep environment, often referred to as sleep hygiene, is crucial for creating the ideal conditions for restful sleep. Start by evaluating your bedroom. Is it dark enough? Even the faintest light from electronic devices or streetlights can disrupt melatonin production. Invest in blackout curtains or an eye mask to block out unwanted light. Next, assess the noise level in your bedroom. Are there any distracting sounds that could be interfering with your sleep? Consider using earplugs, a white noise machine, or a fan to create a soothing and consistent soundscape. Temperature also plays a significant role in sleep quality. The ideal sleep temperature for most adults is between 60 and 67 degrees Fahrenheit, or 15 to 19 degrees Celsius. Even with the best intentions and efforts to optimize your sleep, you might still experience occasional sleep disruptions. Understanding the common causes of these disruptions can empower you to address them effectively. One of the most frequent culprits is stress. When you're stressed, your body releases cortisol, which can interfere with sleep. Practice stress management techniques like deep breathing, meditation, or yoga to calm your mind and reduce cortisol levels. Another common disruptor is caffeine. Be mindful of your caffeine intake, especially in the hours leading up to bedtime. Alcohol might initially make you feel drowsy, but it can interfere with your sleep cycle later in the night, leading to fragmented sleep and nighttime awakenings. If you choose to consume alcohol, do so in moderation and avoid it close to bedtime. The foods you consume can have a significant impact on your sleep quality. Nourishing your body with the right nutrients can promote restful sleep, while consuming certain foods close to bedtime can interfere with sleep. Avoid heavy meals and sugary snacks in the hours leading up to bedtime. Digesting a large meal requires energy and can increase your body temperature, making it harder to fall asleep. Focus on consuming a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Some foods contain specific compounds that may promote sleepiness. For example, foods rich in tryptophan, an amino acid that helps produce serotonin and melatonin, might have sleep-promoting effects. While the strategies we've discussed can significantly improve sleep quality for many individuals, it's essential to recognize when it's time to seek professional guidance. If you've been struggling with sleep problems for an extended period, despite implementing lifestyle changes and sleep hygiene practices, consult a healthcare professional to rule out any underlying medical conditions that might be contributing to your sleep difficulties. Conditions like sleep apnea, restless leg syndrome, thyroid disorders, and chronic pain can all interfere with sleep. Seeking professional evaluation and treatment for these conditions is crucial for improving both your sleep and overall health. A healthcare provider can also help you determine if you're a good candidate for sleep studies or other diagnostic tests. As we've explored, the science of sleep is fascinating and empowering. By understanding how your brain, body, and environment interact to influence your sleep, you can take control of your nights and experience the transformative power of truly restful sleep. By consistently implementing the science-backed strategies we've discussed, you're essentially retraining your brain to sleep better. Be patient with yourself, celebrate small victories, and trust that over time, you'll notice significant improvements in your sleep quality. Sleep is not a luxury. It's a fundamental pillar of health. So make sleep a priority, implement these strategies, and watch as your nights transform, leaving you feeling refreshed, energized, and ready to embrace each day to the fullest. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more science-backed insights. Thank you for watching, and sweet dreams.